Foresight fam, what's up? It's just been a busy couple of days here in the lab, so this video was actually supposed to go up Monday, but because of things beyond my control, couldn't put it up Monday, so I'm putting it up today. So that means I have to record this brand new intro. But y'all don't need to hear all that. Basically, today, Monday, is May the 4th. My favorite character is Lando Calrissian. So I like both versions, the Billy D version and the one played by Donald Glover in the Han Solo movie that I apparently am the only guy that liked in the world. But be that as it may, here is my drawing of young Lando Calrissian from the Han Solo movie because he just had all the swag then. But that's it. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Yo, what's up guys? So I've got the underdrawing done, the pencil sketch, check it out. So that's the underdrawing. So now what I'm going to do is scan this bad boy in, put it into Photoshop, do a couple adjustments real quick, and then carry it over to Illustrator, and then I'm gonna knock out the inking. So let's get it scanned in and go from there. Alright guys, so if you haven't noticed, I've added a new wrinkle, a new skill to my art game, as now I'm starting to do more and more work in Adobe Illustrator, and it's actually fun, and I've been studying and just getting the practice in.
We talking about practice, not a game, not a game, not a game. We talking about practice.
Like this piece right here was good practice, just figuring things out. So I'm really excited about the possibilities that this is going to lead me as an illustrator, and I just can't wait to continue exploring it. But kind of let's go through the process real quick. Basically, once I scan it in, you know, I'll scan in at 600 DPI, make sure I adjust the levels and make sure everything's black and white. Now, because it's a pencil drawing and I just did the pencil underdrawing, I scanned it in at grayscale. Normally, like if it was pen and ink, I would scan it in as a pen and ink document, something like whatever that setting is in Photoshop. But because I just did it in pencil, scanned it in grayscale, leveled it out real quick, and then save the PSD at 600. Now the reason I always save the PSD at 600 DPI is just in case I need to go back to the high-res version, reduce, correct, do any of that stuff. I always got the highest resolution version to work from. So I save that as my base file, then I go ahead and reduce to 300, save that as a JPEG, go ahead and open that JPEG up in Illustrator, Once I get it in Illustrator, I go ahead and reduce the opacity down to about 50%. It doesn't matter, just whatever works best for you. And then I go ahead and I make my brush. Now, this is actually, I've been watching a YouTuber. I think he's out of Atlanta. I think his name is Shy World. I hope I got it right, but I'm gonna link to his. He's got way more people following him than me, but really good guy, really good with the instructions. So I learned this through him, how to make a brush. And so basically what you do is you just take an oval, stretch it out as thin as you can, and then you go to your pen settings and choose new brush, choose art brush, and then just select it from there. And then you go ahead and then you adjust the smoothness as needed. So learn that from him, learned a couple other things from him, and that's what really helped take me to the next level. Also got to give a big shout outs to my man Scott from Lion Forge, Scott Terry. Learned a lot from him, so I was implementing a lot of his techniques as well, using the width tool to change my line weights as needed. All of those things helped me become a better artist. And that's one of the best lessons that you can learn, is that art is always learning. You're always going to learn from somebody. You never know who it is. They could be older than you, younger than you. You never know. You always should be open-minded to figuring out new things. So because of that, I was able to step my game up, threw the colors on there. I think it came out gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and put this up all over social media. It's May the 4th. What can I say? I'm happy. And this is kind of like when MJ got this little step back J. Now I got a little step back now. I'm in the game, baby. I'm in the game. Yeah, I can safely say I'm pretty stoked about this, and I can't wait to do more projects. guys, if you liked that video, and I hope you did, please hit that thumbs up button and share this all over the internet. Now, if you guys are new here and you like what you see so far, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now, everybody hit the bell icon. That'll let you know when I post up new videos and you don't have to worry about YouTube. And if you ever want to get in touch with me, I'm always available on Instagram and Twitter at DKG72. I'm also on my Facebook fan page, and I also have a TikTok. That's David Gordon 72. And if you really like what I'm doing, guys, go ahead and head over to Patreon. The link is in the description below, and sub to the Patreon channel. Alright guys, I'm tired. I got some more work to do. I'm out. I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Peace.